Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a Canon Pixma MG7753. Now this is nice and simple, you can do it from the printer itself, using nothing but the control panel you can see here. To replace the cartridges, we need to lift up the very front of the printer. The control panel comes up quite easily, and once the printer realises that's open, the ink cartridge cradle will settle in the centre here. Now, if any of your ink cartridges do need replacing, see the LED flashing. To remove the cartridge, we just press down on the clip found on the front of the cartridge. You'll notice that light goes out, and we can just slide them out, get rid of the cartridge. And we just take our replacement, remove any protective packaging. Now, if your cartridge happens to have like a pull tab, like normally be orange or yellow from most manufacturers, make sure you remove that first before you remove the clip from the bottom. Mine doesn't have that pull tab, but it's very important to bear in mind because removing that one breaks like a vacuum in the cartridge, and if you take the clip off the bottom first, ink can sometimes kind of pour out, staining whatever's around or yourself. Then take the cartridge, we pretty much do what we did before in reverse, slide it in. When it's in line with the others, press down ever so gently until you hear a little click. As you can see, that light's turned back on. Then we repeat the process for any other cartridges we have. With those all installed, we're good to go. So we close the cover of the printer again, and we let the machine take a quick look at them. And it'll basically be checking the chips on it, make sure it's happy with the cartridges and their estimated ink levels. And assuming that's the case, you'll get a confirmation as to which cartridges you've changed. Press OK. And here we are back on the home screen of the printer. And that's all you have to do, really. If you found this video useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.